we stumbled across one such scientist here at Santa Clara County's Ed Levin Park. I'm going to take a wild guess and says his reaction to last night's earthquake was different than yours and mine.
At 4 minutes past 8 last night, what happened inside the San Jose pharmacy is what was happening in so many places. Things falling off shelves and people throwing themselves into doorways. But just at that very moment, while the rest of us were shaking,
we were happy that we finally had an example of an earthquake.
Now, don't think poorly of Tom Bleier. He doesn't want anyone getting hurt. But you see, he researches earthquakes. And in order to study something, kind of need that something happen.
But we just haven't had very many events that we'd use to test out his theory.
Tom's particular area of interest is electromagnetic monitoring. He and others believe before earthquake happens, there's a change in the Earth's magnetic field. And if they can figure out a way to detect it,
we stay away from the prediction word, use forecasting. The only distinction is that we are in the research phase.
Tom's company, QuakeFinder, actually has a permanent monitoring site just a mile from last night's epicenter. He'll spend time in the future crunching the numbers coming from that machine. Today, though, he's racing around the South Bay Hills getting more readings. And so, almost a day after the earthquake, as the excitement for most of us had died down, for others, it's just getting started.
What's interesting, we mentioned this was the biggest earthquake in the Bay Area since Loma Prieta. It was actually Loma Prieta which got people thinking about this electromagnetic field and the link to earthquakes. There just happened to be a monitoring station right at the epicenter of the Loma Prieta earthquake back in 1989. It was there for a different reason, but when they saw signals for 2 weeks leading up to the earthquake, some readings, they were strange readings they were getting, they thought they were on something, and they're still trying to figure out if that's the case. Jessica?
Okay.